Hello, my name is Bob Anderson. I'm the co-founder of Leadership Circle and creator of the Leadership Circle profile. And I'm speaking to you directly to invite you to consider joining us in a new offer at the Leadership Circle Unity Academy. As many of you know, I've spent most of my career working in the transition from reactive leadership to creative leadership. What you may not know is that I've spent the last 4 years intensively working into what's the next transition look like from creative to integral. But it's unity-informed integral. Our mission statement speaks of unity, and in the later stages of development, we become more and more available or porous to that field of unity. As Wordsworth once said, we lie in the lap of immense intelligence. We are the receivers of his truth and the organs of its activity. Well, this is no longer merely metaphysics. It is now quantum science. One of the exciting things that's happening on the planet is a convergence or an integration of the great wisdom traditions, north, south, east, west, with the leading edge of science. And a new paradigm is emerging about how the fundamental nature of reality is organized and works. And so the Unity Academy is founded on this paradigm. It invites you into a master practitioner school in how to work more powerfully, more energetically in the work that you do. It is a master practitioner school in becoming more and more radiantly present, more and more resonant of this field, getting greater access to this field of intelligence in order to have a more transformative impact in the work that we do, whether that be leadership, coaching, consulting. And so I could say a lot about what we're going to work on and work with in the school, but I've written it all down on the web pages on the Unity Academy at the Leadership Circle website. And I invite you to go there, read, and discern. Does this feel right for you? Is this the next step in the mastery of your practice? I hope to see some of you as we go on this journey together. Thank you.